How's it going, man? What's your name?
Clay.
Nice to meet you, sir. What are we looking at over here?
2007 E91 328. I always wanted a wagon, and I said once I did it, I was gonna do my thing to it. Just wanted to be different. You know what
Absolutely.
I'm saying? You know, bring a different flavor.
Yeah,
And it's
absolutely.
rare to get.
Right,
So
right.
when I got it, I said I'm going to do my thing. You know, do my little collage with the shoes.
Absolutely.
So that.
Are you fresh with this, man?
So this is where I'm at right now.
Okay.
At the moment.
So tell me the story. How did this color happen? You know.
To be honest with you, it wasn't my idea. Our president, Amatic Tate, he told me, he was talking about colors.
Yeah.
And he said, let's go with the sunflower. And so I went with it. He gave me the idea, got in touch, and the female wrapped it.
Okay.
She wrapped the card.
Who's the female?
I would shout out Instagram, but I think it's like Atlanta Wraps or something like that.
Okay.
If not, I would link her in.
Absolutely.
She did a real good job. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it looks flawless, man.
And I just kept it simple, man. Went with the 19s.
Yeah.
BMW. Cargo box, take a look real European.
Absolutely. It's got real Wu-Tang Bumblebee vibes.
Appreciate it. Changed up the badges. It's originally N52 with the European plate. I want to tint it, but right now, this is where I'm at, man.
So what's the decision maker? What's the decision maker between tinting and not tinting it?
I'll meet halfway. So I go I probably tint a little bit, but not all the way. But
Okay.
still, I like the original look of it.
Yeah, absolutely.
So,
Let's look at the interior.
interior, it's original. I ain't really done that to the interior, but just kept it clean. You know what I'm saying? Oh, tan. So I'm debating on that too. Like I said, I'm like 60% in the building right now.
That's how it goes, though. It's ongoing. It never ends.
Yeah, so it's a process. So far, getting good looks is just where I'm at right now.
All right. How about under the hood? How about under the hood?
Under the hood, everything is stock.
Okay.
Everything is stock.
And you-
Nothing I can say is outstanding at the moment.
Yeah.
So give me a moment, I'll be able to pop the hood and let you see what's going on. But
All right.
everything is stock, man.
Okay. Yeah. You know, it's a great platform to start with.
Yeah. So shout out to you right here. KMS Auto. That's what keeps it. Everything running good, everything tight. KMS keep it going.
That's what's up. Shout out to KMS. Appreciate you, Clay.
Appreciate you.
Yes, sir.
Tex loved his cars, he loved his family, and he loved his dogs, and he loved his friends, and you guys have made such an impact on his life, and we're going to miss him so much, but he would not want us to cry every day. He would want us to celebrate life for whatever short time we have on this earth, and trust me, he enjoyed every moment he had. He had a pretty rough year, but you guys have showed up and really meant so much to me, on all the kind things you said and all the cards and all the flowers and everything that you have done. And that's all I can say, is that he loved each and every one of you and had so many special, special friends. and I have an Audi because of him. So he was the one that talked me into buying that Audi, and I love it. So thank you so much for coming, and just remember to keep all the memories that he had with you, and that's all we could ask for. And we love all of you.
So guys, please, at some point today, my beautiful wife here, get your shirt, this shirt right here, with his awesome silhouette taken at Wookiees at last year. Get your shirt if you've ordered one. We also have this like little box here, if you don't mind writing, if you have a special memory or something you want to say, write it on a note card, stick it in that little box, put it in there, and give this woman a big hug over here too while you're at it. So thank you guys, really appreciate it.
Thank you.